We are happy to introduce ourselves as Cosmic Microsystems Private Limited, an ISO certified company. We are serving our customers since 1994. We are well experienced in R&D, production, servicing and exporting of online UPS up to 250 kVA, solar off-grid UPS, servo voltage stabilizer, water softener and DM plant. Serving more than 1 lakh customers across India, from domestic customer to industrial. We have come up with innovative 2-in-1 patented technology water conditioner product. Customer satisfaction is our motto. Water, the fundamental building block of life on Earth, covers almost 70% of its surface. Water accounts for 2/3 of the body mass of every human. When there is excess concentration of calcium and magnesium beyond certain level, water becomes hard and causes problems. Effects of hard water: reduction in the flow, pipe clogging, less efficiency and lifespan of an equipment, increased electricity bill using heat exchangers, geysers, boilers, bathroom fittings, which leads to increased maintenance cost, hair fall, dandruff, dry skin, latherless soap and detergents, less agricultural yield. There are various processes to reduce hard water problems. Some of them are reverse osmosis, ion exchange technology and water steaming technology. All these processes either need frequent maintenance, chemical-based treatment, or need a lot of electricity, resulting in higher cost of maintenance. One of the best natural technique is following the river water flow process. In a river, water travels hundreds of miles before it reaches the ocean. While traveling, the bigger cluster water molecules hit the rocks and stones continuously, thus breaking down the larger cluster water molecules into smaller nano molecules. The same natural river flow process is used in our cosmic water conditioner. After decades of experiment, research and feedback from our customers, we have developed a unique 2-in-1 patented technology to condition the water naturally using river water flow process. When water passes through the device, the large clusters of water molecules are broken down to smaller nanomolecules. Powerful magnetic field polarizes the water molecule, changing its physical structure. The calcite crystalline structure is washed away, causing the natural flow of the water. Installation of cosmic water conditioner. Advantages of cosmic water conditioner: scaling is completely reduced, reduction in maintenance cost, calcium and magnesium are retained, pH value is attained, which is good for the human body. Body will absorb more water, reduction in hair fall, improves skin health and moisture, increases the lifespan of all the appliances and utensils. Due to degasification, taste of the water improves. Better lather with soap and shampoo. Fabric quality is maintained and lasts longer. Effects of biological contamination is reduced. Water can easily be tested for its softness just by boiling before it passes through cosmic water conditioner and after passing through water conditioner. We can see that there is no scaling formed in the utensil with soft water for the water from cosmic water conditioner. We can also have a water foam test to see the softness of the water. Cosmic water conditioner is a fit and forget product. Once you install it, it will last for 25 to 30 years. It comes with maintenance-free and zero running cost. It is available in 100 LPH to 1 lakh LPH flow rates.